Good morning, everyone. Today, I will show you how to...
That took too much. Let me show you how to do it.
Good morning, everyone. I'm here again with my friend Richard Bertinet, who is going to show us one of his most known or favorites recipes, right, on the internet.
I know it's gone crazy. Cinnamon bun. Everybody loves cinnamon buns, so I want to share the recipe with you and see what you think.
Yes, okay, let's go.
You do it.
I'm doing it again.
So we've got some strong wheat flour, some sugar, some sea salt, fresh yeast, eggs, milk, and butter. So it's quite rich with butter. The dough is not very soft. It's quite what we call pâte bâtarde in French. It's a bastard dough. So it's the too soft, not too hard, so we can roll it out and put the spread on top. So don't put any shell in there, yeah?
Yeah, I tried not to. Walk.
I'm going to rub the yeast in my flour a little bit. That's good. Good. Add the milk on top. So always put the liquid first.
Yes, go with the milk,
And then we're going to add the flour.
sugar, and salt.
Yep.
Don't use the paddle.
No, not the paddle for those. So that goes on, and then we're going to put it on a slow speed for 4 minutes.
Almost.
So what I want you to do now is the butter has been out of the fridge. You squash it like this. Good. And this will take about 15-20 minutes to mix in a mixer. So if I do croissant, viennoiserie, I use very hard butter.
Today we are not doing slapping and folding.
No, but sure to finish the dough after. No, we had nightmare at night.
You can see my nightmare here in the link.
So it's been 4 minutes now. I'll put the speed up a little bit, medium speed, like this. I'm waiting for the dough to come all together, nice and clean. So we're at 4 minutes on slow speed, and that's 7 minutes now on medium speed. So it started to come off the side now. But that's nearly done now. But what I do there, usually, I stop it, take it down a bit, and then scrape the side.
Which scraper are you using?
Mine.
In this cup is even better.
I'll give you one take-home rule.
Oh.
So when you bake, you can think of length. So you see now, another minute, and that's done. If you listen to the mixer, clapping no. So that's always a good sign. The dough is not sticking anywhere. Dough is done. You can see how nice and strong this is. I love that dough. It's beautiful. There's one thing I teach people. You can't take a dough like this and do this. Okay, you can't do that.
You have to give it some tension.
There's always what I call the top and bottom. Okay, so what I do is just form a top, just like this. So I got a nice smooth top in here.
It's so easy.
Do you want to try it? I put it back like it was for you.
Again, I show you my way.
Yeah, it's good. There's many ways of doing things. The other way, it's not as good as mine, but it's not bad. And you raise this for an hour or 2 hours, depending on how warm or cold it is. And then we'll be ready to go.
Let me cover it, and I'll see you in a few hours. So Richard, here's the dough. It's already double in size.
You just go for 1 minute.
A minute. That was an addition. Here's still the other dough.
Yes.
Oh, cut it.
So that's been rested. You can rest it overnight also in the fridge.
That will improve the taste.
Well, you get the flavor also. Yeah, but it's quite nice flavor already. So I'm going to put a tiny bit of flour on the table. We'll use a rolling pin. We're touching my dough again.
No.
And then you're going to roll it.
Me?
Yeah, in a rectangle.
In a rectangle. Okay. Yes.
So the trick is to, if you want to roll, is to get your rolling pin there, roll it around, and then
okay, yeah.
move it out.
Okay. Almost there. 5 millimeters.
Cinnamon mix I've got in here is simply made with soft butter. You beat it in a mixer. You add your sugar with it, beat it very well together, and then you finish off with cinnamon powder. And I'm going to spread this over the top, but what you must not do is put too much. If you put too much when you bake, it goes everywhere.
Smells incredible. It's not too much.
Everybody put far too much, and they also spill out. It's about the flavor. It's about less is more. This corner in here will reach in here. Hold there. Go. Ramon. One job you have to do. One job. And then we do the same over the top now.
Okay.
Then we equalize this. And the middle is always a bit bigger. So push it down a bit.
Does this dough or the preparation also works for rolls?
Yeah, you can make rolls. You can make we can roll the dough and make some cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls?
Yeah. I'll fit 2 fingers there, like this.
Like rectangles?
Yeah, big strip. what I do usually, that's my plain side there. I turn them over, flat it up, then do a cut, another cut.
So I got 3 pieces.
3 pieces.
With stripes.
Yeah. And then plait them. So you could leave them like that on the tray. Put some pecan nuts if you want to. But what we do is roll it. So as I roll it, I open it like this on some time, like a little nut.
This is already butter, yes? Right?
Yeah,
Or
butter.
the
We
spray?
can put some spray on it. Yeah, whichever.
But you can bake this on a tray, on a regular tray.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
parchment paper.
Yeah. You don't have to have the mold. You can put them in anything. So now we're going to proof them for 1 hour.
Okay.
Okay.
Room
We'll
temperature.
cover them. Room temperature is fine. And then we'll glaze them. So I'm going to show you to make my glaze for that. And then that's the rest of it.
Hey, wait a minute. There's something that I have to tell you. While we were recording this video with Richard, we also recorded something incredible that you can't miss. We have recorded a new masterclass. Yes, if you're a beginner or you are an expert in bread baking, you need to watch this class, in which you will learn everything, but everything about bread. Richard, as you might know, is one of the most influential bakers in the world. And then there's me. Richard is going to unveil the secret to his all-purpose sweet dough. With it, he will teach you how to make the most incredible baguette vinoise, fruity tin loaves, donuts, and one of my favorites, the baked brie in brioche. And then I am going to introduce you into the sourdough world. First, I will teach you how to build your own sourdough starter from scratch, and with it we're going to bake the best country loaf and also the crispiest baguettes you've ever eaten. So if you really want to learn, you don't have to miss this masterclass. Remember that the link is in the description and you can click it and start it right now. And now you can continue with this video.
It's very simple glaze. It's the same recipe I used since I'm 14 years old in the bakery where I was in Brittany. So if you break the eggs in there and put a very large pinch of salt into it.
I'm an egg breaker.
All eggs, yeah.
Okay.
Get a very big pinch of salt.
Very pinch of salt, like this. Go.
That's too much. So this is what's happened with in a bakery in France where I was doing. We used to do the egg rolls the day before, for the day after, a big pot of it. And what's happened with the salt, it just cure your eggs and make it change color and make it fluid also. So if you leave it for an hour or so, you don't have to put it through a sieve. You just
Interesting.
put it in butter.
Really interesting.
And then you see this one was done a bit earlier. So
It's an elk color.
next stage, our little bun's been brewing.
Wow. That's mine?
No, I'm on diet, so that's mine.
Okay.
So the eggs in here, you can see how fluid it is now. I just really a good coating of eggs on top like that.
I did like straight. How many of this did you bake at your bakery?
That was 5 years ago. I've sold the bakery. I didn't do them. It's after when I wrote my last book. I came up with the recipe.
So for your new bakery?
No more. No more bakery. In French, we say tu peux pas être au four et au moulin. You can't be at the oven and at the mill at the same time.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So do this one.
Thank you.
Okay. And this is going over at 180 degree.
Okay.
And that will take about 20-25 minutes.
Okay, let's go. Oof, I can smell you from kilometers away.
Wait.
Yeah, no, that was not.
It's funny. Smell me. Here.
Wow. Can I touch him?
No.
No.
They get cool down first, okay? So when they
Okay.
cool down, it'll be fine. Just put this with them.
Okay, yeah.
What are you doing?
No, nothing.
Can't help yourself. You like a little charm.
Try it.
Oh, it's too hot.
Oh. So, final moment.
Happy with them?
I don't know. Yes?
Will you try one where it's still hot, didn't you remember?
No, it's
So screw down a bit now.
Take a look at this. This is for you.
Well, a small bit.
Well, take it.
No, it's fine. I'm on diet. It's still too warm.
Still too warm, but I can't resist. Very soft on the cinnamon,
Not-
on the butter, Butter. Well, Richard, thank you again for having me for the third time in your kitchen, baking again. And you know, if you want to come here to his kitchen and learn,
Most welcome.
well, they can find you the link in the description. And for more information, of course, of courses and whatever you want to learn, in the description, all the links. So see you on the next video.
Ciao.
I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn more about sourdough bread and sourdough starter, I encourage you to check the link on the description. And remember, this masterclass was specially designed for you.